In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw with finger in Apple Notes. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. You can find this app on your home screen. If you have an existing note where you want to draw, tap to open it. Alternatively, you can create a new note by tapping the Compose button in the bottom right corner. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all your drawing activities. Once you're in the note, you will be ready to unleash your creativity. Next, tap the Markup button, which looks like a pen tip icon. This button is usually located in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. When you tap it, you will enter the drawing interface. This action is important because it enables all the drawing tools you will use. After you tap the Markup button, you'll notice that the screen changes to focus on drawing options. Now, choose a drawing tool from the options presented, such as the pen, marker, or pencil. Each tool has its unique characteristics, allowing you to customize your drawing experience. For example, the pen creates fine lines, while the marker gives a broader stroke. Experimenting with these tools is essential as it helps you find the one that feels most comfortable for your style. Once you select your tool, you're one step closer to creating your masterpiece. With your tool chosen, use your finger to draw or write directly on the screen. You can freely express your thoughts or artistic ideas. The touch sensitivity allows for a natural drawing experience, making it feel as if you are using paper. Enjoy the process and remember that there are no mistakes in art. Just enjoy the freedom of expression. After you finish your drawing, tap Done to save your work. This step is crucial as it ensures that your creations are saved properly. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your drawing is now part of the note. This little step helps keep your notes organized and allows you to revisit your drawings later. While drawing, you can tap a tool again to change its thickness or opacity. This feature is handy if you want to refine your lines or add depth to your artwork. Adjusting the thickness can significantly change the appearance of your drawing, so don't hesitate to experiment. It's all about finding the right balance for your artistic vision. You can also tap the color button to choose a different color for your drawings. This option provides endless possibilities for creativity. Imagine being able to illustrate your thoughts with vibrant colors. This small step can make a big difference in how your art looks. If you need to remove part of your drawing, use the eraser tool. This tool allows you to erase mistakes or refine edges easily. It's a relief to know that you can correct your work without starting over. Additionally, you can use the lasso tool to select and move parts of your drawing. This function is particularly useful for adjusting elements of your art without having to redraw them. You can also make cleaner shapes by drawing them and then holding your finger still for a moment before lifting it. Apple Notes can automatically straighten shapes like circles, squares, and arrows. This feature is a fantastic time saver and helps your drawings look polished. It's satisfying to see your rough sketches transform into precise shapes with just a simple hold. If you want more space to draw, drag the yellow handles at the top or bottom of the drawing area to resize it. This flexibility is vital, especially when working on larger drawings. Having ample space can help you focus on details without feeling constrained. With that ready, you can create stunning artwork in Apple Notes with ease.